let me introduce you all to my brand new Marlin GSBL in 4570. It took me a year to get this because the dealers and distributors said it was back ordered. Okay, here's the box. It's supposed to be the ultimate all-weather, weather-resistant big bore lever action. So I figured I would buy this thing. But let me show you how it comes straight out the box. Look right here. Crooked offset sights. You would think, with all the complaints that Marlin get about crooked sights, at least someone would take a look at these before they leave the factory. They put all the work and fine craftsmanship into a rifle like this and send it out with crooked sights. Now I know what Marlin's gonna say. They're gonna say, well, maybe UPS bent it. No, they didn't. Don't blame this on the UPS man, because I came home and I did my research, and this is a common problem. Here's the thing. The MSRP on this all-weather big bore 4570 is right at $1,100. And what do you get for it? You get this. Made in the USA. American craftsmanship. Canted sights included. You know, Frank Lucas on American Gangster said something. He says that sometimes people will tamper with a perfectly fine product or item and screw it up for no reason. And I think when Remington took over, this is what happened to Marlin. Beautiful, but the sights are offset. They're canted. So I doubt whoever runs quality control has got anything to do with hunting or firearms ownership. I'm starting to think now that some of these guys from Marlin probably don't even shoot their own product. Luckily, I have an option. It's drilled and tapped, and let's hope they're lined up right, and I can put an optic on it. But this is what you're getting straight out the box. Okay, class, say thank you, Marlin. Thank you, Marlin. Oh, and I'm not sending it back. I got a custom gun shop ready to take care of this.